Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. For today's wash day, I will be using all the products I bought at Marshall's the other day. I went to Marshall's on the hunt for some hidden gems, some unique, interesting things. Sometimes they have some really weird products on their shelf, but I also was just kind of looking for some of my favorites for a cheaper price. And I think I came across some pretty good products. These are all things I have never tried before, so this will be a little bit of a first impressions. And then I also will be sharing with you guys an extremely easy and very quick braided hairstyle that I like to do when I just want to switch things up a little bit. I want to keep my hair down but just have something going on in the front. Literally 5 minutes and anybody can do it. So let's just get into today's video. To start in the shower, I ended up finding a matching set of the Amika Triple RX Shampoo and Conditioner, and these were a really good steal because both of these products were $20 or a few bucks over 20, and I got the shampoo for $9.99 and the conditioner I believe for $12. So that's really good, and I've never used any of Amika's products besides one of their curling creams, and I know these are a little bit more high-end kind of products. They do sell them in Sephora, and reading the bottle, they are salon products, and I didn't really know that at first, but that was my first thought that ran through my head. Like, this is something that would be used on me if I went to the salon. The smell, the feel, I don't really know how to explain it that well, but like it just feels so nice on your hair. It lathers so nicely. The shampoo itself is extremely silky and has so much slip. It just feels really good. So the shampoo says it was formulated to strengthen and soften hair that has been weakened or damaged by color, chemical processing, or heat styling. And my hair has definitely been going through it. I have been coloring it and highlighting it for 6 months or so. Not like consistently, but I feel like I've done two kind of major things that have really damaged my hair. So nowadays I'm really kind of leaning towards products that are more reparative and that have some sort of damage control. The conditioner was extremely thick and creamy. You guys can see as I'm squeezing out of the bottle how thick it is, but it also has keratin and shea butter, so a little bit more protein in there as well. One thing I really do like about this set is that the conditioner is larger than the shampoo. Like, they really understand the struggle sometimes. So the conditioner is like 7 ounces larger, which I think is great. And then one negative thing I guess I have to say about this conditioner was that the pump was broken, which is not that big of a deal, just a little bit inconvenient. And I'm guessing that's why it was at Marshall's in the first place. Not really sure, but just a little inconvenient, no big deal. To detangle my hair, I like to use my flexible detangling brush, and I like to section my hair off into about 4 sections and just keep the conditioner in my hair while I shower the rest of my body. So when I got out the shower, I was just running my fingers through my hair, and my hair just felt so good. And you guys know that feeling when you get your hair washed at the salon is totally different than what it feels like at home. And this definitely was a more high-end product, and you can just tell by the way my hair felt, and I loved it. But I am going to go in and detangle my hair just a little bit. I know I detangled in the shower, but I just want to make sure it is completely knot free. I did end up buying a new wet brush. This is still the original brush, but I just wanted to get one without that little 2-in-1 detachment. It definitely makes the brush feel so much lighter and easier to use in my hair. Next, I went in with the Thank Good It's Natural Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner with black honey and coconut oil. It's an intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repairs hair damage. I really loved the scent of this product. It didn't have like an overpowering coconutty scent. I actually don't think it smelled like coconut at all, but I don't know what it smelled like. It just smelled fresh and nice. It smelled nice. But yeah, I really liked it. It was a pretty lightweight product, so I just applied this throughout all of my hair. I like using the wet brush to clump my curls together. It does a really good job at defining my curls, but I didn't want to go in too much. I really wanted to focus more on clumping the ends of my hair, so that's what I was kind of working on. So once I was done styling with the wet brush, I did go in and section off the front of my hair that was going to be braided. And then I went in with the Prakashi Nectar Style Control Gel. I'm not exactly sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it's the Style Control Gel from Carol's Daughter. It's for all hair types. It has a touchable hold, helps prevent frizz, adds moisture and shine, and it also has acai extract and castor oil. So I just applied this gel in the front two sections of my hair where the braids were. I just wanted to make sure that my braids will stay in place and I didn't get any flyaways. And for the braids, I'm just doing the very basic double Dutch type of braid, or whatever you want to call them. I know there are many names for these, but that's what I'm doing. And I just braided them back about 3 inches, I would say, right before like the very crown of my head. And then I also just braided the hanging hair all the way down. So I had 2 kind of dangling braids, and it was just a very cute 5-minute hairstyle anybody can do. After that, I just went back in with the Style Control Gel, and I kind of glazed it over all of my hair and also used it to scrunch my hair. I didn't want to apply too much because this seemed like it was more for styling hair and not for curl definition or anything, but I did want to use it to just have a little bit of hold since all I did use was the leave-in conditioner. I did let my hair air dry and I did diffuse, so right now my hair is completely dry and it is many hours later. But I am going to go in with some of this argan oil on my fingertips and separate some of these clumps. And later I'll be going in with my Devereaux pick from Cantu to fluff it all out and see what our final result looks like. So you made it to the end of the video and these are my final results. I really liked the way that my hair looked. The little braids were super cute and I think my curls looked really nice. But more importantly, I really loved the way that my hair felt. It felt very nice and healthy, nice and soft. And I'm really excited to see how much healthier my hair looks and feels if I continue to use both the shampoo and conditioner and also the TGIN leave-in conditioner. So that is really all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you guys stopping by to watch this video. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you guys in my next one.